Hello and welcome back to my channel again. Today I'll show you create a niche related YouTube channel and setup. So for your affiliate marketing you need to create a YouTube channel to promote your link or product. If you don't, I hope everyone know how to create a YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, then simply log in YouTube with your Gmail and then click here and then click setting and then here you can see add or manage your channel. Click here, and if you want to create a new channel, then create a new channel. I'm not going to do that because I already have a channel, so I am selecting that channel. If you don't have a channel, then create a channel and make sure the name, because what you choose in your niche area, then you need to create a channel name that niche related. So I already have created a channel for test purpose. You can see my channel. Then you need to customize your channel. Then write about your channel in about section, and then create some playlist to upload your content. And also you can design your channel art. You need to design your channel art, then upload it. So I am suggesting you using canva.com. Here I already show you this website. You can find all of your need here. Like create a design, you can create a YouTube channel art from here, or simply download a channel art that someone already created. You can choose from here. I just simply choose a random one, and then you select down. There you can upload it. So that is about your niche channel. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.